Well, hello! How's it going? Ryan here at Fountain Bay Resort. Come on in, I'll show you around. So this is one of 5 villas here on property. We have a beautiful kitchen here. We got all the silver appliances, stainless steel I should say, granite countertops, microwave, full-size fridge for all those collects and sands. And yeah, you can pretty much set up camp, provision, go to the grocery store, get all your food. You could live here if you want. I kind of want to live here myself. So, as we come through, we have the main bedroom right here. This is a nice big king-size bed. We have a little table here. We have a flat screen TV. And the reason why you come to Fountain Bay is the location. So come on outside. We have a great deck right here. And Fountain Bay is located on a beautiful beach just outside New Bight on Cat Island. And we have a beautiful, stunning lagoon. There's people paddleboarding, there's dogs out, they're exploring. It is a stunning location here on Cat Island. So, follow me back inside. Let me show you the rest of this place. So we have a full-size closet here. And if you follow me this way, we have another closet right here. And if you would like to stay a while, we have a washer and dryer. Super exciting. All right, the bathroom. Here we go. More granite countertops. We have a full-size stone shower right here. And one of the really cool things about these villas is if you come outside here, we have an outdoor shower. So as you can see, we can get all the saltiness off of us. And that's a Fountain Bay Villa tour. So if you guys have any questions, you can always email me, rumshopryan@gmail.com. And let's take a look at the rest of Fountain Bay Resort.